Hello all, Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy. In this video, you will be able to learn simple tips to teach how to write the letter AHA, the Hindi letter AHA. And also I have a beautiful tip on parenting, which helps you to solve simple nuances of how to manage your child who is little cranky and how to take them in the right way. So let's get into the video of learning how to trace the letter AHA and then followed by the tip. So let's start the video. And here we go. This is AHA. And how do we trace this? The chant goes like this. Write number 3. A sleeping line from between. A standing line attached to it, a sleeping line above it, and we have 2 dots. So this is AHA, the last letter of Hindi vowels, that is AHA. Let's write again. Number 3, a sleeping line from between, a standing line attached to it, a sleeping line across it, and 2 dots. This is AHA. Let's do it one more time. Number 3, a sleeping line from between, a standing line attached to it, a sleeping line across it, and 2 dots. This is AHA, the Hindi letter AHA. So there are actually no words which start with the letter AHA, but we have few words which end with AHA. So now let's see what are those words which end with AHA. So we generally see it in the shlokas. This is Pratah. AHA. If you see, there are 2 dots here. So these are AHA. So Pratah is the morning. So Pratah is morning. The next is Namaha. We say Namaste. So this is Namaha. So that is AHA. So the first word is Pratah and you have Namaha. So the end of many shlokas, we see Namaha and all. So this is AHA word. Okay. So now let's get into the tip of the day. And this is how to be a positive parent. So we come across many situations where we find fault with a kid and the child is not there to agree. No, no, mama, I have not done this. I don't want to agree. So we want to correct them. So the first tip is you have to connect with the child before you are correcting the child. That is, when we connect and we say that, beta, I believe in you. I know what you might have done, but let me speak to you and please tell me what has clearly happened. Once you give that confidence to your child, saying, yes, I'm here to listen to your way of thinking, the child will have that mode of connect with you rather than being defensive and saying, no, I have not done, I'm not here to accept that if you blame me and all. So the first and major important tip is connect before you correct. Hope this tip helps you in finding your child more happier with you. And please do follow our more videos where we have many more tips coming up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please try to like, share and subscribe our channel.